Hey guys, Pan back here. I want to show you how to change your time on your microwave since now the time zone is different, the daylight time savings here. So I changed on here, it's 10 o'clock now. This one is, if you want to change it, you go to here, use your pref. On this model, actually, I'm going to show you which model this is. Model FGMV 175QFA, and that's a Frigidaire over the counter. So this is sitting higher than the stove. And user pref, you go to change the time, you press once. That's the time, right? And you can just enter the time. It says enter the time. So if you want it to be 10, you type 10 and then 10 minutes. Pretty straightforward. And then don't forget to press start to validate it and then set it. So it's easier than some of the other microwave where you have to hold a button and then the minutes like keep increasing or decreasing. And if your time is, usually you change like a little bit at a time, but it's gonna take more time than this. You have to press, you can press enter the time directly, and it's gonna be faster for you. And so yeah, this is better. And this is, I'm gonna show you another way to for other options here. Volume, that's the one that you set to off, low or medium, that's the noise when it stops the microwave and it will beep or not. If you don't want it to beep, wait until it's off and then press start. Okay, so you have to sync it, right? And then the next one, you can make it kilogram or pound. So if you want to make it, so if you want to defrost or you want to use these options here on the top, you might want to know like how much weight it is that you're defrosting or you microwaving. And so press start for kilogram. Okay, that was for kilogram. So you have to do it again if you want to do in pound. So start again, and it's gonna be in pound now. So now, yeah, we changed the time. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please leave a comment if you want me to do more videos, tutorials of anything you want, from microwave to the household appliances, and I'll be glad to reply to you and make more videos for you. Thanks you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.